Dude, now I tell about parallel lines. Parallel lines means two lines which are never going to meet each other even if you trace them more and more distance up to miles and miles of distance. They're never going to meet each other because the distance between them always remains same. Here if you take the distance as 3 units distance between them, even after here also it going to be 3 units distance between them, and even after tracing for millions of miles it remains 3 units distance between them, and they never going to meet each other. Therefore they are known as parallel lines. They're going to make many shapes. Here I going to tell, if you take parallel lines, just one pair of parallel lines, and here these two sides are any two sides, it going to become a trapezium. Here these two lines are parallel and these two are irregular lines, so this is known as trapezium. And here trapezium, you can find out area of it easily. If you draw a perpendicular, it going to become perpendicular, right? One side of this you can take as a, another side as b, so area of trapezium you can write it as half times of a plus b times of perpendicular height h. Like that, this is one trapezium. And if two parallel lines going to meet with another two pairs of another two parallel lines, here this line is parallel to this line, you can draw one arrows, and here these two lines are parallel. Here it going to form in between, this is known as parallelogram. I can rewrite that. This one you going to get, which is parallelogram. There these two lines are also parallel, and these two lines are also going to become parallel. How to find area of this parallelogram? Here you can write the perpendicular, it is perpendicular, right? And this one is known as the base. So area of parallelogram is base times of perpendicular, right? You can find out complete area, that is trapezium's complete area. You can do with an example here. Here first to do about trapezium, you take up a trapezium and they have given this side length parallel side is 10 units, this parallel side 8 units, and the perpendicular height is 3 units. So you're going to get area equal to half times of this sum of parallel sides, which is 8 plus 10 times of perpendicular height, which is going to be 3 units. Here 10 plus 8 is 18, so it is half times of 18 times of 3, 2 1 times, 2 9 times, 9 times of 3, which is going to become equal to 27 square units. That's the area of trapezium. Now in parallelogram also, let's take one of those parallelogram. Here they have given this base length as 5 units and perpendicular height which is 3 units. You're going to get area equal to base times of perpendicular height, that is this is base, this is perpendicular height, 5 times of 3, which is 15 square units. Here it is 15 square units. This is trapezium and this is parallelogram. Let's find out even more things. They are not just them. If you take two parallel lines and if you intersect by a line, this intersecting line is known as transversalis. Here this one line is known as A, this one line is known as B. It's going to form four angles: angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, and angle 4. These four angles which are in between the parallel lines are known as interior angles. Interior angles, and those four angles which are outside, which going to become angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, angle 8. These are outside of parallel lines, are known as exterior angles. Here it going to form many different angles, that is vertically opposite angles, adjacent angles, and even those two alternating angles. corresponding angles, and even corresponding exterior with alternating interior, alternating exterior. I going to tell all of that in part 2 video. Bye.